Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about the Ethereum Flexible Leverage Index token. So for this video, I'm gonna show you how to transfer Ethereum into the Ethereum 2x Flexible Leverage Index by doing two easy steps. So first of all, open one of the best or safest price tracking website that you know. For me, I'm using CoinMarketCap. I'm trusting this website 100%. So guys, if you really want to be safe and secured and to prevent getting scammed, please use this website. Now let's get over here. We write Ethereum 2x and we will find it first one. Please make sure that you are using the first one, not the second one, because if you can see here, this is the Polygon network, but we are using the Ethereum network for this one, for this tutorial. So please make sure that you are using the Ethereum network. Come here, and yeah, we click on this icon right here, and that's it. Now we copy the address. We go into the Uniswap protocol page and click on Launch App. Select the token. We paste the token from here into here, and we connect our wallet. How to do that? Just click on connect and you will have your wallet directly connected. There is multiple choices of wallet. It supports MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, Informatic, and Portis. But for us, we will be using MetaMask. So for those who doesn't have it, you can download it easily from metamask.io on any browser that you are using. Now we come back to the Unicorn interface. Make sure that you are on Ethereum network on both the platform and the wallet, and then you come down below and you import the token. You click here and you add the token that you are willing to add custom token, import tokens, and here you go, ready to start trading between Ethereum into Ethereum 2 or reverse. So guys, if you found this video useful, please leave a like in the comments and subscribe to the channel for more videos in the future. See ya guys.